Hey guys, can we take a photo?
Okay.
Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Josh, you blinked. Come on guys, it's not that hard. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Everybody look good, but Jess,
What?
you're frowning.
That's my smile.
You've got a beautiful smile. Okay, everybody and set. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, thank you.
It can be hard to get a picture of people right, and the more you try, the more frustrating it can be. Now, being able to detect faces and their activity can make that much easier, and it opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. We are going to introduce Google Cloud Vision API, a new concept of machine learning. Google Cloud Vision API is such an advanced algorithm combined with AI and machine learning technologies for processing images and returning information. Google Cloud Vision API is a prepackaged co-packaged servicing to help developers essentially. Google company first published Vision product in Vision AI era in 2015. Until now, Google has two Vision products, AutoML Vision and Vision API, to provide Vision AI services to customers. Google Cloud Vision API has already been applied to many different fields in our lives, such as game, finance, facial detection, and healthcare. In the world of entertainment, game will be the first and one of the most widely used applications for Google Cloud Vision API. Oops, not this game, but more like the games just like this. Yeah, Ready Player One. Google Cloud Vision API could make this become true. It provides chances for the people to interact with the characters and items in the game in reality. The game of Peter's Dragon, which Disney has just published, is a perfect example of the application of Google Cloud Vision API. By using Cloud Vision API, Disney brings the magic of Peter's Dragon from the screen to the real life. By using smartphones, people are required to search the dragon outlet around their home or spaces in the reality. They could find Ella behind their couches, television, or search it in their neighborhoods. When they find objects, they could see the Ella through the lens. Google Cloud Vision API enables machines to learn and understand the objects of the real world. Disney has provided the innovative application of Google Cloud Vision API, and I'm pretty sure there will be more app companies using this technology and present more miracles. So here comes the financial application. Yeah, pretty surprised, huh? IFG has its own proprietary algorithms and massive training data for the deep learning and analysis. In the whole transformation, the relevant business organizations have their own metric analysis model. Google Cloud Vision API can quickly identify and accurately convert well in daily invoice recognitions, thus greatly speeding up real-time data extractions and analysis. In the future organizations of financial companies, the application of Cloud Vision API do not only bring great convenience to the learning model establishment, but avoid different invoices forms, such as structured and unstructured documents as well, which improve the speed of daily processing and the analysis of real-time and update data by helping people to finish a lot of work that humans can do in a short time. Facial detection is the third application of Google Cloud Vision API, which can be regarded as a process of automatic face location in visual media like the digital camera or video recorder. Google Cloud Vision API provides information about the state of visual features, such as whether the person photographed smiles or not. In this case, the Google Cloud Vision API technology offers valuable information about whether the subject is ready to take a picture, which constitutes the application of facial detection in the image shooting.
So this is a space sweep for facial detection. Hi!
For the future possible implications of facial detection using Google Cloud Vision API, there's a great possibility that it will be applied to the field of criminal investigation based on its ability to capture emotional characteristics sensitively. During the police interrogations, the suspect's subtle reaction to every trace of information is captured, which greatly accelerates investigation progress and convictions, as well as help analyze criminal psychology. In conclusion, the visual detection based on Google Cloud Vision API has created great value in photography field, and it has a broad application prospect in the field of criminal investigation. And the next part is about the healthcare. How does Cloud Vision work? Each project where the computer needs to see like a person is unique. For example, a self-driving car has different requirements from software for cancer detection. Some of the principles guiding these endeavors as well as the code powering them are similar, just the training datasets are different. So in healthcare, Cloud Vision has countless applications, from a faster and more accurate diagnosis to surgery assistance or enhancing the life quality of visually impaired patients. The long-term goal of using this technology is to give doctors a way to spend less time analyzing results and allow them to spend more time bringing added value to the patient in terms of advice and care. Cloud Vision API apply in healthcare. There are a few significant areas where Cloud Vision API can prove useful in healthcare both immediately and soon enough. As the technology becomes more widely adopted, here's a small selection of these areas below. Monitor surgical blood loss. Postpartum hemorrhage can be fatal if the mother is not getting the right blood replacement as soon as possible. Until now, the evaluation of the amount of lost blood was just a visual approximation by skilled nurses. Cloud Vision includes a iteration system, takes this guesswork out of the equation, and offers a scientific answer in less than 10 seconds. The outcomes mean that patients will get just the right amount of blood transfer during their operations, thus decreasing the risk of complications. Helping the visually impaired, Cloud Vision can make guiding dogs and white canes a thing of the past. The smart glasses could pick up images from the environment, send them to the processors, and through Cloud Vision determines the type of objects in the proximity, creates a navigation route, and directs the person by vibrations or verbal feedback. So here comes to the development of healthcare and the use of Google Cloud Vision API. The medical API market connects consumers and producers of medical data. The vision for this solution is to build a multi-market, healthcare transaction-driven economy and build a comprehensive API management platform that supports market concepts. The platform allows provider organizations to design, publish, and manage API while performing security, application governance, and capture analysis. It particularly emphasizes on API management capabilities because it addresses some of the issues associated with medical data. Functions such as data permissions in the gateway ensure the provider organization securely transfers its data to the right level of consumers. So far, there still have some challenges of Google Cloud Vision API to break through. The first one is about the security and privacy issues. Medical institutions and organizations want to make absolutely sure that their medical history details are private and only accessible to doctors and insurance companies. And second, Google Cloud Vision API has not been able to access all the medical database yet. And the second one is to provide developers with detailed API documents. Often poor documentation discourages adoption of API. Thank you for watching our video.